Welcome back to Caffeine for Brains, your weekly infusion of inspiration, innovation, and real-world lessons. Today, we dive into a story that reads like a thriller, yet it has very real consequences for sport, tech, and trust. In October 2025, federal authorities unsealed indictments in what they described as one of the most sophisticated cheating operations ever uncovered in the world of high-stakes poker and organized crime. Among the charged are prominent names, including a current NBA head coach and former players. What's remarkable is how advanced the technology used in the scheme was. We're talking altered card shuffling machines with built-in card readers, X-ray-equipped poker tables that could see face-down cards, contact lenses and glasses that could make pre-marked cards visible. In other words, the environment looked like a fair game, but behind the scenes, the odds were manipulated. Victim players thought they were playing for fun or profit, but they were actually being set up. Let's unpack how this worked, because the lesson here goes beyond just cheaters used gadgets. Altered shufflers. These machines were secretly modified to read the deck and predict which player held the best hand. The information then was relayed to a co-conspirator at the table, often called the quarterback. X-ray tables and hidden cameras. The table felt like a typical poker surface, until it wasn't. Embedded tech allowed the masterminds to see face-down cards in real time. Special eyewear, contact lenses or glasses allowed certain players to see marked cards that the average victim couldn't. Celebrity face cards. The recruiters used high-profile athletes and coaches to lend legitimacy. When you saw them at the table, you were less likely to suspect what was happening. This wasn't a few amateur cheats, it was a full-blown enterprise combining tech, psychology, celebrity status, and organized crime. You might ask, what does this have to do with me? I'm not playing underground poker. Here are three broader takeaways. 1. Trust is fragile. In industries and ecosystems where fairness is assumed, sometimes the mechanisms beneath are manipulated. This story pulls back the curtain. 2. Technology alone isn't morally neutral. The same innovations that can enable transparency and empowerment, AI, sensors, data feeds, can also enable deception if used maliciously. 3. Visibility matters. Much of this activity happened because victims believed everything looked legit. In business, innovation, or daily work, don't just trust what you see, ask what you don't. Let's tie this back to Caffeine for Brains territory. Innovation with purpose, resilience, awareness. When you build something, a startup, a team, a product, ask, is the system rigged? How can it be abused? Design with integrity. In high-tech environments, remain skeptical. Just because something can be done, e.g., reading cards via hidden camera, doesn't mean it should. Ethical frameworks matter. And for individuals, maintain awareness. Whether you're investing your time, your money, your trust, ask what the hidden mechanics are. If you're in the game, don't assume it's fair. Make it fair. In the end, this scandal isn't just about poker tables, celebrities, or crime families. It's about how systems built on trust can collapse when technology and human ambition conspire. At Caffeine for Brains, we believe innovation should elevate, not exploit. It should open doors, not rig them closed. So, next time you hear of a gadget, a breakthrough, a star name, remember to ask the question behind the question. Who built the game? Who benefits? And are you playing fair or being played? Thank you for listening. Keep your mind alert. The next big story is just around the corner.